Hi everyone, this is Yushen. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to share with you how to make these Luna moth earrings with polymer clay. First, I drew out the shape of the wing that I wanted on a piece of regular printing paper. And then I cut out the wing with some scissors, and then I used that paper as a guide to help me cut out the shape on polymer clay. And I'm just using a craft knife. This method works for other shapes as well. You can draw out whatever shape you want on a piece of paper and then cut it out and then use that paper as a guide. After all the wings are being cut out, then I would clean the edges and the surface with alcohol to make sure that the edges are smooth and there's no dust on the surface. I love everything about polymer clay except for the fact that you can get a lot of dust in your clay if you're not careful enough. So I tend to use a lot of alcohol and cleaning when I work with clay. After finishing cleaning the edges, you're going to attach them together. I'm using liquid clay to help the pieces stay together. If I don't use liquid clay, there is a possibility of them falling apart when you're wearing them. So I think liquid clay is really important. It makes the connection a lot stronger. When I'm trying to make two pieces that are the exact same size, I would always use a cookie cutter so that I can get the exact same amount of clay. If you're only using liquid clay as a way of connecting two pieces together, then I always suggest that you get clear liquid clay. The liquid clay that I'm using is white because they were out of clear liquid clay. With the clear liquid clay, even if you're accidentally using too much and it started leaking out from the seam, you won't be able to see it. After attaching all parts of the Luna moth, I am just drawing out the details. The details on the wing is drawn out with a regular needle that you would use for sewing. When you're drawing out the details on the wing, it is best if you hold your needle at an angle. When you hold the needle at an angle, the line is usually really sharp and clean. And next is attaching the moon onto the wing. To make the moon, I'm using a round cookie cutter. When I'm done attaching the moon onto the wing, I'm using just some alcohol and a Q-tip to clean out the dust. And then it's ready to go into the oven. The moth is being baked on a piece of printing paper to make the back really matte and clean. Then the earring post is being super glued to the back. After the super glue dries, I'm using UV resin to seal the earring post. This makes the connection a lot stronger and it won't fall apart as easy. The UV resin can be cured under UV lamp or the sun, both works. After the UV cures, your earring is ready to be worn. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye!